Okay everyone, welcome to the video of my traffic light model. I'm gonna explain how did I see a tall traffic light pole. I saw it earlier on last night. I saw the one in Anaheim on Katella and Harbor Blvd. I walked to that when I get out Disneyland California Adventure, I walked through Harbor Blvd, then cross Katella Avenue. Last night I see a camera on top of a pole because the pole is very tall. There's two of them on the signal. One's on the arm and the other one's on the pole because the pole becomes very tall. That's the camera. Okay, this one is a regular one. It's the same height. It's a normal height. So we are gonna go over this real fast. Okay, let's have a look. Just look, take a tour. Yep. Older traffic lights need to be restored. If they're old, you have to fix them. There's a street sign. That's one in Florida. Right turn arrows. It won't come off very easy. Yeah, it's permanent. Look. The stuff will never come because I use the screw glue. The glue. Not sticks, not glue sticks. They're not that useful sometimes. Yep, that's the base, and that's underneath it, the bolt to hold in position. Here's the cap. It looks very, there it is. And there's the camera in some intersections in North America. They are placed above the second arm next to the lamp, the street light. That's how you find the cameras. The red light, running a red light. Not to prevent the drivers from running a red light. Red light running. Some cars could make a right turn on a red light, a right turn. Some cars do that if it's safe. I saw this one in Anaheim. This one reminds me of the one in Los Alamitos. In Los Alamitos at Katella in Orange County. This one reminds me of the one in Anaheim earlier. Alright, here's a bigger version. I'm gonna go over. Okay, here's a taller one. This one is much taller. I just saw one in Google Street View by going on the Google Maps app. This one is similar to the one that on Street View, like on Century Boulevard on Aviation, because the signal on Century Boulevard at Aviation has a longer arm, a thicker pole. It's very tall because of the camera. That's what Los Angeles is doing. They put a camera on another arm. There's 3 arms now. One is for the camera, and the second one is for the light, and then the third one is for the stoplights. This one looked like the same height in Los Angeles, in Century Boulevard in Aviation, because of the bridge. And the Crenshaw LAX line, there's a bridge, that's why they're mounted sideways. So let's have a tour. I forgot this. Hold on, I forgot something. There it is. Just see, it looks more detailed now with different colors. The body of the traffic light is black. The paint, that's the chassis. I mean, that's the color on the traffic lights in Los Angeles. They are the same color. It doesn't turn brown, gray, silver, or yellow, anything like that. It just look new. Older lights look new sometimes if they got repainted again. The older traffic lights got painted again because it want to look good and better, like in Paramount. I saw the black traffic lights that are shiny in Paramount. The shiny traffic lights are painted. Shiny traffic lights are painted again when it gets very old, over 30 years. Because older traffic lights needs to be painted again to look more better and more visibility. Just like the one I saw in Cypress and Walker Street and Crescent Avenue in La Palma in Street View. I saw that in Cypress. So the reason why Anaheim makes a traffic light pole very tall because of the camera. On Harbor Boulevard at Katella, you could see the camera on top of a pole that causes the pole to be taller because of the camera. In Los Angeles, they have that. There's an arm in Los Angeles, a third one above the pole. There's a camera that's facing at the angle in Los Angeles. It becomes very tall. I've seen poles very tall, like the ones in Los Angeles. They're much taller than much taller than the regular ones. Okay, here it is. Here's a tour of the tall traffic light pole. Let's take a quick look, a full tour of the project. This is the biggest project I ever done this year. There it is. Look how tall it is. Yep. So, okay. This one is a regular one. The arm is very long because of the street. It needs to have more light. I show you these things. This is the shorter version, a standard one. Hold on, there's a thread right here. I gotta hold on. There. Okay, look at that. You see that? It's a tall traffic light pole. No, wait, it's a normal one. It looks very thick. The bigger arms are bigger and thicker because they are long. The longer arms need to have a thicker pole because of the length of how the street is very wide. So this is a long mast arm because longer arms needs a bigger, thicker pole because to have more support. So this is an idea how I came up with this big arm, thick arm in Florida, because it needs to be strong against wind or hurricane, or the strong winds over there. That's why, because of the weather or storm, it has to survive during a storm. That's why, because the arms need to be there. It should not break or bend like the one in New York. State of New York has these arms. In Delaware, I think. I've seen the similar ones in Google Street View, like in the one in New York, like the one in Delaware or Maryland. Maryland is not that accurate. It's not that interesting like Florida. I've seen these color in Texas. Some parts of Houston in Texas are like this. The new ones are black, like the ones in Indiana or Ohio. So this is a full tour. It took me a long time to do this because I spent lots of hours on this stuff. I gotta keep this. Alright? Just have a look for a few seconds. Okay, this one reminds me of the one I saw on Harbor Boulevard at Katella Avenue. Like I said, this one is in Disneyland. I saw another one in Disneyland on Harbor Boulevard in Orange County. It's very tall. Good thing I have a picture of the stoplight with a large pole, a taller pole in Anaheim. I I have a good picture. I'll show you to you very soon. I'll show you the picture very soon. Let's take a tour. This thing is much taller and long. This is the similar dimensions on Valley View Blvd and Desert Inn Road in Las Vegas. So let's look at the one. Go far away and you'll see how tall the arm and the pole is. The light pole is very tall, just like the one in Desert Inn Road in Valley View Blvd in Las Vegas. The length of them is much longer, just like the one in Las Vegas. There's a Desert Inn Road. That's the one in Google Street View. I saw that in Street View. I saw the highest amount of horizontal traffic lights in Charleston Boulevard at Interstate 15 South. Those are the three lanes for the three arrow that's pointing up are for the Interstate 15 northbound lanes, and the one on the right is for the cars that are going straight on Charleston Boulevard eastbound. This is the one in Las Vegas in Interstate 15 southbound ramp, on the southbound, because of the bridge in Charleston Boulevard. This one is similar like the one in Florida. Let's look at the whole model. I'm gonna go over the big structures, and then I'm gonna have a full tour of the project that I finished. This one took me forever. It's a model. It's a complete model. All right, here's the one that I saw in Anaheim, everywhere in the city of Anaheim, in parts of Orange County. It's the regular pole and the mast arm, but it's not real. It's just a model, a miniature version. It doesn't look that small. It looks long and tall. Okay, I'm gonna put this. Let's look at both of them for a while, and then after this, I'll close the video. Yup. Here they are, the taller ones. Okay, here's a full. Hold on. Let me think. I'm gonna explain why the poles are very, very tall. Because they have a camera above it. That's why. There's a camera above it. That's why. Like the one in Los Angeles. They have to put a camera on it. On top of the pole, there's a camera in Anaheim. That's the reason why the pole got taller on Harbor Blvd. I saw the right arrows, but the right arrows do not function in Katella at Harbor in Anaheim, because the pedestrians prohibited sign is not showing up. That's the reason why the right arrows do not work. They just put it there. That's the only intersection in Disneyland I found, near Disneyland. I hope you like this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one.